my name is Ibinaya Blessing Temilade. I'm a graduate of Data Lead African Cohort 7, and I want to say my experience so far throughout the journey was great. I got to learn about Power BI, our starter. But before, I know how to use SPSS, but I wasn't proficient. Now I can say maybe I'm leading towards a professional aspects, but I want to thank Data League for this great opportunity through this journey, for the facilitators that were nice to us, always there to help us when we are lost, and also carrying the class along. Also, I want to tell everyone that if you're looking for anywhere to further your career in data analytics or data science, Data Lead African is a place to go to. Thank you very much.